In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add KYC information in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to capture key Know Your Customer details directly in your client records so your team can stay organized and compliant. First, open Clio Manage and look to the left sidebar. Click Settings. This is where you'll control how information is structured across your account. Next, open Custom Fields. Custom fields let you store exactly the data you need in the format you prefer, rather than relying only on default fields. Here, create the specific KYC fields you want to track. Common examples include KYC status, ID number, passport number, tax ID, verification date, and risk rating. While you're creating each field, choose sensible field types to make data entry accurate and consistent. For instance, use a date field for verification date so your team can filter and sort properly. Consider a drop-down for KYC status and risk rating, so values are standardized, which helps with reporting later. Once your individual fields are ready, create a custom field set. This groups the fields together, so you can add them to a contact in one click instead of one at a time. When prompted to name the field set, enter KYC information. Keep the name simple and clear so everyone on your team recognizes it instantly. Under Custom Fields, select the KYC fields you just created to include them in the set. Take a moment to review the order. Placing status and dates at the top can speed up quick checks. When everything looks right, click Save to finalize the set. Now you're ready to use it. Go to Contacts and open a client record. In the client profile, find the Custom Fields section. Add the KYC information set if it's not already visible, then fill in the client's KYC details. Be consistent with formatting and avoid free-form text where a drop-down or date is available. If a value is unknown, leave it blank rather than guessing, and update it later when verified. Accuracy here supports audits and internal reviews. When you've entered the details, click Save. Your KYC information is now stored with the contact and can be viewed, searched, and kept up to date by your team as needed. And that's how to add KYC information in Clio Manage using custom fields. Keep your field names consistent, review them periodically, and you'll maintain a reliable KYC workflow across your practice. Thanks for watching.